Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Roomba J7 Combo. This is the model that has both the vacuum, but also the mop. Also has the base, so you can, finish the job and put everything away. So it's going to be interesting because I do have the i7 and Spot has done a fantastic job for us over the years. So it would be interesting to see what the difference between this model is going to be. But first, let's unbox it. And forgot to get something to cut this. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so opening it up, we're gonna get something here talking about getting started. Look under, and what you're gonna have, it's gonna be the Roomba, the base, and a power plug, obviously. And I bet you there's going to be stuff like the whippers and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so prepare the mop. Oh, and there's the mop. So we get a little mop piece that goes on there. So it goes in the back. Looks like some solution we're going to have as well. Hard surface concentrate, hardwood floor concentrate for that as well. So we got some mop solution. We have a power cord. This is the power cord to plug the whole doohickey in. So that's gonna get some juice. And we've already picked out a name for our new robot, but I'm gonna announce that later. So extra, so we got an extra filter, we got an extra whipper, all right, so that it's gonna be cleaning up as easily as possible. What else? A lot of spare packaging. We have got, it's going to come out one big thing, but I'm going to take them out one at a time if I can. And here's the new Roomba. Okay, so we got the new Roomba. It's got those rollers on the bottom. It's got the whipper, the roller there. Same kind of thing. And then there, it looks like this is what the little mop thing goes in. I guess that goes, it folds down and does that. So we'll put that right over here. And let's get the base out. Get that out of the way. Here is our base. A lot of messy noises. Okay, so we have the new base, and if you can, it's a little hard to tell there, but you can see it's got a little QR code-y kind of thing. I guess it's to help the camera spot and line itself up. So that's going to help really perfect its way to get on there. We have opening this. We have an extra one. I already put one extra one in there for us in the top, which is kind of good to have a spare. And there's the one already installed. So that's kind of nice. And it definitely looks sleeker than the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna set it all up and then we'll do some reviews and some walkthroughs, but I wanted to unbox it and show you what's in there. Thanks.